Manufactured from stainless steel for durability. OE-style design for easy use and quality fit. T-bolt latch design for superior clamping and sealing. For use with flared connectors. Fits 2.75 pipe. Walker, with our worldwide OE partnerships and manufacturing facilities, possesses the technical excellence needed to meet today's emissions control needs, while developing solutions for tomorrow's challenges. Walker is a one-stop convenience, offering complete engine-to-tailpipe coverage of replacement emissions control systems and components for popular domestic and import vehicles in broad market, performance, and commercial vehicle applications. Walker delivers optimal OE-style fit, appearance, and dependability in aftermarket emissions control parts. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every penny over the dealership. Same exact clamp that you will get at the dealership, the only difference is the bolt itself. On the OEM Ford clamp, on the end of the bolt it has a hex star shape head, and on the Amazon clamp it's just a standard bolt. Same brand, same everything, that's the only difference. Worked great on my 2012 Mustang GT.